Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the gift card balance so you know how much you can spend right away. Once done, open the KFC app or website and sign in, or prepare to use the physical card in restaurant. Make sure you choose in-store, kiosk, or mobile order because each method uses the card differently. If using a physical card, keep the receipt and the card handy. It has the code you'll need. This first step prevents surprises at checkout and saves time. Now you apply the gift card during payment. In the app or kiosk, go to the payment screen and choose gift card as the tender, then type or scan the card number and PIN. If paying in person, hand the card to the cashier or use the kiosk to swipe/enter details. Make sure the cashier enters the exact code. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, split the payment. You can combine card funds with debit, credit, or mobile pay to complete the sale. Finish by confirming the transaction and saving proof of payment, receipt, app confirmation, or email. You should check the remaining balance immediately so you know if another payment is needed later. If something goes wrong, first re-enter the card number and PIN carefully because small typos cause declines. If it still fails, confirm the balance and then contact KFC customer service or return to the store with the card and receipt. They can look up the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.